Hello student, I am Shyam Dulari of LPM Public School. In this video, I will tell you about chapter 19 of class 6 English Grammar, and the name of the chapter is Subject Verb Agreement. In this chapter, I will tell you about the subject and the verb when they agree with each other in a correct way. Let's see some example. As in the book, look at this sentence. The first sentence is I am rich, and the second is he is intelligent. Third one is the puppy just the cat, and the fourth one is they are right. In these sentences, we have seen subject. Suppose let's take the second sentence. He. Here he is a singular subject, and the verb used with this is also a singular subject. In the first case also I is a plural subject, but we know that always I am is used with I. So take second sentence. He is a singular subject and the verb used with this is also in singular form. So it means when our subject is singular, the verb is also in singular form. Let's come in third sentence or fourth. They are right. Here they is a plural subject and the verb are is also plural. It means when our subject is plural, then the verb is also in plural form. According to this sentence, the verb agree with its subject in number and person. It means that when our subject is in singular form, then our verb is also in singular, and if our subject is in plural, then the verb agree with that is also in plural. So as the subject say, as a singular subject takes a singular verb while a plural subject takes a plural verb. But in some cases there are some exceptions. So let's see what are the exceptions. First is two or more singular subject connected by and usually take a verb in plural. It means when our subject is two or more than two and they are connected with and, then the verb usually are in also plural form, and that is are. Here Sita and Seema are two person, or you can say the plural subject, but it is connected with and, so it is taken as a singular. Are here. In second sentence also, she and her classmate have arrived. Here she and her classmate are taken as a singular subject and the verb used here is plural. This is the exceptions with this rule. Now let's see the another rule. The next is if two subjects together express an idea, the verb must be singular. It means when there is a two subject and they express the same idea or they use for the same idea, then the verb we use is also in singular form. The next is if the singular object are prescribed by each or every, then the verb is usually singular. It means that when our subject prescribed as a singular subject with the word each and every, then verb used with that is also in a singular form. Then the next is when the subject joined by or nor are of different person, the verb agree with the subject nearest to it. It means when our subject is in singular form, when our subject is in singular form and it is joined with the word or nor, then we use the verb nearest to it. It means in this sentence, my uncle, my aunt or my uncle. Here in this sentence, my aunt or my uncle is arriving tomorrow. In this sentence, the subject nearest to the verb is my uncle and it is in singular form. So our verb is also in singular form. Now let's see another example. My aunt and her children. Here the word children is a plural word, so the verb used here is also a plural. It means when our subject is singular or in plural, then we use the verb nearest to it when it joined with the word or nor. Now another is two or more singular subject connected by neither nor, either or. Text verb in singular. It means when in our sentence a verb or the subject is joined with the word neither nor or either or, then the verb we use is in singular form. For example, neither he nor I was prepared. In this sentence, neither he or nor I was prepared. Our subject is more than two, he and I. Here is a two subject, but they are taken as a singular because they are connected with the word nor and neither or nor. So the verb used here will be in singular form. Our next rule is, if one of the subject is in plural, the verb must be plural. The plural subject is placed next to the verb. It means when our sentence is joined with the word neither nor or either or, but in that the subject, we have two or more subject. In them, if one is plural, then our verb is also in plural form. For example, either Gary or her sisters. Here his sisters is used. The sisters word is plural, so the verb is also in plural form. In the same way, neither Dela nor her friends. The word friends is also in plural form, so the verb used here is also in plural form. Now let's see another example. When the subject differing in number or person or both are connected by and, the verb must be always be in a plural form. It means when our subject is used for different person or different number and they are connected with the word and, then the verb used here will be in plural form. So, as given in the example, he and I are at the home. Here he and I are the different persons, so the verb we use here is in plural form, that is are. Now the another one is, the collective noun take a singular verb if the collection of thought of as whole. In some cases, collective noun also take a plural form. Here both the examples are given. First one is, the committee has agreed our proposal. In this case, committee, the collective noun, is taken as a singular subject. But in some cases, as here given, the committee were dividing their opinion. In this case, the committee, collective noun, is taken as a plural form. So this depends to our sentence and in the meaning of the sentence for what it is coming for. If it is used for single, then our verb is in singular form, and if it is used for different, then our verb is in plural form. Now let's see another. Nouns which are plural in forms but singular in meaning takes a singular verb. It means some nouns are in plural form but they have single meaning. They give singular meaning, as the news. It is a plural word but it gives singular meaning, so the verb used here is in singular form. The news is false. The pronoun each, everyone, everybody, either and neither take a singular verb. The words such as each, everyone, everybody, either, neither are used as a pronoun in some sentences And with this type of sentences, the verb we use will be singular. For example, each of the mangoes is ripe. Another is when the subject consists of two noun or pronoun joined with together with as well, then the verb agree with the first noun or the pronoun. It means if our subject or in a sentence the subject is connected with the word with or with together or as well as, then we use the verb according to the first noun, that is the teacher. The teacher with his students. Here the teacher is a singular form, singular subject, so the verb is also in singular form. The teacher has arrived. With his student, doesn't matter, the teacher has arrived. Some plural nouns such as people, police and kettles were taken as a plural verb. There are some words as people, police and kettle. We use the plural verb with this. And the next is a pair of. A pair of when applied to things like scissors, spectacles, shoes, trousers. Whereas two components are always thought of together. Takes a singular. It means when we have to use the word pair of, then our verb is always in singular form. When the plural number applied to a distance such as time, height, weight, etc., then it is taken as a whole and is therefore treated as a singular subject. Suppose 1 million rupees is a lot of money. With this type of sentence, we have to use singular subject, singular verb. 10 kilo of sugar cost 300 rupees. Here the verb used is in singular form. 2 hours is enough to finish examination. Here also 2 hours and the verb is singular is. Now many refer to number and is plural, but much refer to amount and it is thus singular. In this case, the word many, when we use many in our subject of a sentence, then the verb used with the many will be in plural form, and when we use the word much in a sentence, because much is referred to the amount, so our verb is in singular form. Now let's do the practice exercise, question number A. And the first one is fill in the blanks choosing the correct verb from the bracket. The word is the kettle does frightened by the sound of lightning. The word correct verb used here was or were. We have to use was because the kettle is a collective noun and it is taken as a singular subject. So the correct option is was. In second, my children dash energetic. Since the word children is a plural word, so the verb is are. My children are energetic. In third, much of the advice dash useful was or were. Here much is used for the amount, so it is referred as a singular as we have seen in the rules, so it is was. Much of the advice was useful. Mr. Suri, the president of committee. This is a single person, so the verb is a singular. Is used here, is absent, so correct option is. In question number 5, the news dash that the river is in spate. Here the news, it is a plural word, but it is taken as it gives singular meaning, so the verb used here is in a singular form. You and I done our work satisfactorily. In this case, you and I connected with the word and it gives plural. They are for different, so the verb will be have. The correct option will be have. In question number 7, samosa and chutney dash a delicious combination. Samosa and chutney are taken together, so here are delicious combination. Samosa and chutney is a delicious because they are taken together. So samosa and chutney is a delicious combination. Now here 20 kilometers dash a long distance. Here is each. Verb will taken here each because before this we have seen here the distance. For the distance we have to use singular subject. Here it is given singular subject, so it is each. 20 kilometer is a long distance. Many of our people live. Live is a correct option here because many of the people is a plural, so live is plural. A head of elephant. A head of elephant is a collective noun and it used for a single, so the correct option will be was. In question number 11, a good man and dedicated teacher have passed away. Here two person is referring here and it is connected with the and they are for different, so the correct option will be have. Each of the houses